If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, or journal maker who loves tactile, earthy, artist-grade fabrics, this is where inspiration and texture meet. I'm Vina, curator at Anitavee Textile Designs, and today I'm introducing a Curation bundle. Foundation bundles from my previous videos are your base. Curation bundles are the soul, statement fabrics, and sensory richness that define your voice. This bundle features cuts from remnants that I purchased from an outdoor furniture manufacturer. They were really interesting pieces. This first piece is a brown colored piece, kind of looks like a raffia weave. There's a close-up, and I'm going to pull out a fiber for you. These are relatively stiff pieces, by the way, so I still think they will work in some craft projects. It's kind of like a papery type of material. So that's the first piece. The second piece is also brown color. You can see how stiff it is there. It's a different weave than the first one. And that fiber is still kind of like a papery type of material that's kind of rolled and then woven. Okay, I'm trying to break it a piece there so you can see it. Okay, there's a close-up of it there. Kind of a papery type material. The next piece, now I love this piece. This is kind of like a terracotta type or a clay colored. Nice detail in it. That's the back of it. And there's a weave for that also, and it also has like cotton fibers also running across the width of it. This next piece is a kind of like an ivory, deep ivory color. There's the back of it. It's close up, and again, that's kind of like a papery type material that was rolled and then woven. It's a little close up. This one is a little stiffer than the other ones, probably because of the width of the rolled fibers there. And let's see, this one is a black colored. This is this one has a little more flow to it. It's not as stiff as the other ones. It doesn't have that backing. Okay, it's woven in the back, and the cross weave is just threads, so it does have good movement, and there's a close-up of it there. Okay, this bundle is named Woven Terrain. So that's our Woven Terrain bundle. Each Curation bundle feels like a next level up enhancement to our other bundle collections. Try blending with a cut or two from our foundation or play bundles for balance and depth. Links to this week's featured bundle and our other bundle collections can be found in the description below. Be sure to join my VIP list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order. Link in description. I'll showcase a new bundle every Tuesday and provide a sneak peek on upcoming bundles on Thursdays. Thanks for joining this Curation bundle reveal. Subscribe for unique fabrics for mixed media art. See you Thursday for the sneak peek.